Hello, and thank you for tuning into this Ingerati studio interview at Asian Utility Week 2016. I'm Denise, and with me in the studio we have Hiroshi Chin, and he is a PhD candidate at the University of Tokyo. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
You were speaking today about existing smart meters, but the potential of it is just so much bigger. Do you want to just give us a little bit of a breakdown of what you were speaking about today?
Okay. Right now, the smart meter's function is actually for the charging the money from the customer. But actually, I'm a data scientist. I'm researching a lot about the electricity data. And just using that data, you can tell a lot of things. You can tell the life pattern, you can disaggregate it, you can tell what kind of appliance is using now in the home, or you can have some good, really good load forecast. So right now the smart meter is just not enough for all of things. So we need something new, I think.
Yeah. All right, fantastic. Where's the potential of smart meter going at the moment? Is it really being harnessed properly? Let's perhaps speak about Japan with the rollout of smart meters. Are smart meters really being used properly by utilities? Are they really getting their value for money out of it?
In Japan, in this April, the electric market just deregulated. And the power company just started to install it to every household. Because first they want to charge the home, every household properly. And secondly, they want to charge the power retailer properly. So they have to use that. But they have those things are using for the charging, how to get money from the household or the retailers.
Right, okay. So you've brought the smart meter in, and do you want to just let's have a discussion about it?
Okay.
Here we go. All right, tell us about what's going on here.
Yep. And this is a smart meter that we developed. But what is difference is this smart meter have computing power. So I use the Intel Edison chip, and Linux is just running in there. So this smart meter just can like a iPhone, and we can put new apps there, apps in there, and we can change the specification of the smart meter. So if right now maybe we are measuring the smart meter in every 30 minutes in Japan.
Yes.
But in the future, if more and more renewables comes out, it's not will be 30 minutes. Maybe we need 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 minute, or health level, because the electricity run like that way. So we need to change the specification. But to install smart meter in every household, it's really difficult. So we need something that's really flexible, and also we can provide those apps like a service for the customer. So after that, right now, all the services, it's all the services is a power company driven. They just want to sell to the customer. But like the iPhone, it's before the phone is just telling. But when it's come to the user side, when there meet some demand of users, there are more market, more additional values. So I think energy data can provide more additional values and make more bigger market.
Additional revenue streams, right? For the utility. So this is just so much bigger than what it is right now. And as far as developing a really customer-centric model is concerned, you reckon that this is the answer?
Yeah, this is just the start. But it's one of great answer for that. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you in the development of this particular solution? And tell me a little bit more about it.
Actually, this device have some computing capacity. Also, it can access to Wi-Fi. It can access to 3G connection. So it serves as a local computer. So we take a health level data from this device from here, and we calculate it. We can do some disaggregation of the electricity data and know what appliance is used now.
Okay.
And we don't put all the stuff to the server. We just calculate here. It will also can reduce the cost of server.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this going to go to market?
It's in the developing stage.
Developing stage, right?
But
okay.
we're gonna consider more in the future to develop it as a product to sell to the users of electricity.
Yeah. But this just highlights the fact that innovation is just so important at the moment across the globe as far as energy is concerned. I mean, it's just limitless as to what you can achieve with the right technology, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What is your advice to the energy sector as a whole when it comes to putting the customer at the heart, of the business model and really harnessing potential from digital technology? What is your advice to utilities?
Yeah. I think utility device we don't have to only think about electricity. Actually, electricity only when we have electricity point of view, we cannot make a more revenue.
No.
We should consider broaden it. We should we should collaborate with ITs, and we should have a user-driven point of view. And for example, we can collaborate of some delivery service with the utility company to know the house is absent or not absent.
Right.
And if so, we can have a broader market.
Yeah.
And it's like a revolution. It's not only from the utility. We also the energy you can consider as an asset. You can use some fintech technology,
Right.
blockchain, and we can change a lot. Yeah.
Fantastic. Hiroshi, we're going to have to end there. We could carry on for much longer. But thank you so much for coming into the studio and talking with us. And to our viewers, thank you so much for tuning into this session. If you're wanting more insight into Asia Utility Week, please have a look at our playlist on ngirati.com. Thank you.